Hello, this is a quick video about blood types and how it all works. So the reason we have different blood types, they're inherited characteristics from our parents, and there are different types, A, B, and so on, you will have heard of. What it's talking about is the antigens, the proteins that are found on the surface of your red blood cells. And there are three that are at play here: the A antigen, the B antigen, and the Rhesus Factor, RHD antigen. You can have them in any combination, and that will end up creating one of 8 blood types for you. If you have none of these, you'll be O, no A or B, and also negative, no Rhesus factor. So the Rhesus factor is the plus or the minus. The most common is O positive. Rhesus factor is about 85% of the population, so this is about 1/3 of the population. A is also quite common. B and AB are rare or extremely rare. If you have a blood transfusion, then the blood type that you receive is extremely important. It has to match your antigens, or at least it has to contain no antigens that your body won't recognize. Now what that means for these rare ABs is they're called universal acceptors. They can receive any of these blood types because their body recognizes the A and the B and the Rhesus factor. Meanwhile, the O negative is known as a universal donor because if O negative blood is given to anyone, it doesn't contain any of these antigens, so no one will react to them. That's called the universal donor. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.